Family. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
So, where are you from?
I was born in California, but I live in Seattle.
Can I ask you about your family?
Sure, why not?
Okay. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yeah, I have an older brother and a younger sister.
How old are they?
My brother's 31, and my sister's 15.
I see. And which year were you born?
In 1993. How about you?
I was born in 1993, too.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Nope. I'm an only child.
When is your birthday?
April 21st. When's yours?
July 11th. You're 3 months older than me.
Greeting. What do you do?
Hello, Mary.
Hi, Alex. How's it going?
Pretty good. How about you?
Busy. I've been working a lot these days.
What do you do?
I'm a nurse.
That's interesting. Where do you work?
I work at the city hospital.
Do you like your job?
I love it. What do you do?
Not much these days. I'm looking for a job.
What kind of job are you looking for?
I'd like to work as a computer programmer.
Well, good luck.
Thanks.
School. What do you need?
Excuse me, can you help me out?
Sure. What do you need?
Thanks. I'm a new student here, and I can't find my classroom.
What class are you looking for?
Math. It's in room 203. Where is that?
Hey, we're in the same class. We can go together.
Thanks. Oh, I'm Lena.
Hi, I'm Tom. Nice to meet you.
By the way, how long does math class last?
Every class lasts 40 minutes. Then we have a 10-minute break.
Are you in any clubs?
I'm on the soccer team and in the school band.
Oh, I'm in the band, too. When do we practice?
Practice starts at 3:30 in the auditorium and lasts until 5.
Where's the auditorium?
I'll show you later. Oh, hey! We'd better get to class. It starts in 5 minutes.
Food. How did you make it?
Wow, Jennifer. That dinner was delicious.
Thank you. Can I get you some coffee?
Thanks, but I prefer tea.
No problem. So the chicken was okay? It wasn't too salty?
No, it was great. I liked the sauce you cooked it in. How did you make it?
I used some sesame oil and a little soy sauce.
Oh, I see.
Here's your tea and some cake for dessert.
Wow, this cake is fantastic. What's it made of?
It's made of flour, sugar, eggs, and dark chocolate.
Oh, it's really sweet. You're a super cook, Jennifer.
Direction. Excuse me, could you help me?
Excuse me, could you help me?
Sure. What can I do for you?
I'm looking for the Miners Theater.
That's on the corner of 5th and Main.
Is it far from here?
No. Go straight down this road for 3 blocks.
Okay.
Then turn left at the intersection, onto 5th Street.
Left at the intersection? Onto 5th.
Yes. The theater will be 1 block down on the right.
Go 3 blocks and turn left, then 1 block down.
That's right.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.